Hello and welcome. This is the next upgrade here for the Cybertruck. Yeah, I bought it from Amazon. Thought it would be cool. Did I need it? No, of course not. But I bought it to solve an immediate problem. Later on, I won't have the problem, but I've got it now. This is the problem. Do you see it? Look close. Come on, look close. Come on, look close. Yeah. What's the problem? Yeah, there's no hubcap or no wheel cover on the Cybertruck. They're coming, but they're not here now. What am I going to do? Well, I'll show you. Let's have a look in the box. I'm doing this with one hand again. It's okay. I'm pretty good at it now. Hey, I'll add my knee. How's that? All right, what is this? Well, you know what it is. I think we know what it is. Someone decided to, in the interim, before the wheel caps show up, use my knees. There it is. That is a wheel cover kit that covers the lug nuts as well as the center hub of the wheel. That look cool. Matches the color and the shape. So let's get these babies on and see what it looks like. This is what comes in the box. I have 4 wheel covers. I've got a little tool to pull the wheel cover off through this little tiny hole in each. If I don't want to put the whole cover on, I can actually just put the center caps on if I wish. That's an option. But I'm going to put these guys on. Let's do it. Here's what the wheel looks like up close. I'm going to take a microfiber rag and just clean out the inside here for any debris. Inside of this cover are a spring-loaded bunch of fingers, and they go on. So I'm guessing, not putting these on before, they can't be too hard. So you just line it up here and push. Yep, it's that easy. Let's go do another one. All right, wipe. Inside, take the cover. Take the cover, line it up. Push it in. It snaps in just like that. Let's do another one. I just cleaned it, line it up, push it in. There it is. I haven't had a chance to wash my truck. I've only had it about a month, maybe a little less. Grab the cover plate, line it up, push it in. And there it is. All right, there's one more thing to do. It's one last thing you got to do. Open glove box. I always put in 1, 2, 3, 4 for my videos. Glove box opens up. I'm going to store the removal tool in here. And the extra caps. We'll put those guys right there. That's it. It's that simple to upgrade the Cybertruck prior to the wheel covers arriving. If you liked today's video, give me a like, pass it on to your Cybertruck friends and those who want a Cybertruck. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next video and take care.